Hey there, welcome to my channel. I'm Juliana Rose, and this is Taffy. We've been living full-time since 2021 in my Toyota FJ Cruiser, and I love it. Embracing true freedom is like barely having any direction, and that's exactly how I live. So take a seat, get comfortable, and come on an adventure together. Let's go, guys.
Here's one of my dilemmas that I have about living full-time on the road and not really having directions sometimes is I don't really know where to go, so I kind of sit here a lot thinking where I want to go. Like, I don't even know what state. Like, I can stay in Montana, or I can go towards Oregon, I can go towards Colorado, Idaho. Like, so I guess I'm gonna Google, maybe just stick in Montana for a little bit more, and I'm gonna Google best places to visit in Montana, I guess. All right, it says 10 things to do in Montana, must-sees, do's, and visits. Let's see what this says. Great Falls is one, Lewis and Clark. They say Missoula, Helena. Yeah, that one is most. What's the most beautiful Glacier National Park? Of course, is number one. Let's see. I mean, I guess I could go around Glacier. Why not? Yeah, let's look on Onyx. So we'll go on Onyx, right? And we will go and look up in Glacier, which is up this way, I believe. No, that's down. Sorry. No information. So let's see. There's like a lot of stuff around Butte. So yeah, that's my dilemma. Found camp. It's just a little pull off the side of the main road in this really big dispersed camping area, but it's all to myself. Well, this area is all to myself. Kind of reminds me of the like Flagstaff area, because it's not deserty, but it's like smaller spread out trees. Kind of reminds me of the Arizona forest, because there's also a lot of rocks around, and like Prescott and Flagstaff kind of have and enjoy the solitude. Sometimes I don't know what to do with myself. Mood swings are crazy when you're a female. Up and down, constantly. 1 minute you're woohoo, the next you're like, oh. All right, bedtime. Good night, guys. We're making some air fryer sweet potato fries and a piece of toast. Like really, really hot. Ugh. I think just some cheese or something. Put the cheese on top of the bread and let it melt, and then I'll spread it when it's melted. In there. Close it up and melt that cheese. Yummy, yummy in my tummy. I made a weird sandwich. It's cheese, mayo, and some seasoning, and yeah, that's dirt in there too. I guess I'm just gonna have to eat it like this. It's soft enough I can spread it. Oh yeah, look at that. And the little crunchy bits of dirt really adds flavor to it, you know? Well, look at that yummy spread. It's actually really good. Ketchup and some mayo. Put them together, our fries, and our ranch up. Yummy sweet potato fry. In the air fryer. Today, I am trying to teach myself how to corner on a bike. So let's try to corner. Every corner, I have to practice how to do this. You're supposed to go like You're supposed to go, what did he say? You push down with an arm and then lean into it. Wait. That doesn't make sense. Wait, so, right? No, you're supposed to push down with this leg and then lean into it like this. Wait, like that? Or maybe it is. Maybe you're supposed to do it like that. So your body's pushing away. No, I think it's, no, that seems wrong. I don't know. Let's try really quickly. I don't think, I don't think it's like that. Down this way, and then you do that. I don't really know, guys, but let's actually go try it on the track. Guys, I'm out of breath now. Today I learned something about myself. I'm the type of person that likes to say busy, and if I'm not busy, I start thinking a little too much. So I think a good step from here on out is for me, if I start overthinking, getting in my head, all I need to do is stop and go do something proactive, like riding my bike, going for a hike, doing something that keeps not only my body active, but the mind focused on what I'm doing in that moment instead of focusing on all these other things. Because I'm an overthinker, I'm a dreamer, I'm a person that goes through a lot of processes in my mind. So from now on out, if I start overthinking, just do something different. Look where I am. I have so many opportunities to do whatever I really want out here in the great wild. So, heck yeah, guys. All right, and now we plug it into the propane stove to boil this. It's kind of a waste, but I'm going into town tomorrow, so I'm not as worried because I'm gonna get more water. So we let the water boil. And we'll put this in here too. And now it's cooked for however long it takes, so. You're so cute.
I really am so lucky I get to call this my life, guys. I couldn't be more grateful than ever before.
Back a couple days ago, I met these fellas camping, and they said they were having like a brunch get-together at their house, and I was like, well, I don't know. I mean, it'd be cool, but I don't know. It's 2 hours drive backwards, blah, blah, blah. And so last night I told myself, well, if my body wakes me up naturally in time to make it there, because I'd have to leave at like 6 in order to make it there in time, then I'll go. Well, my body woke me up at 5 o'clock, which is the perfect time to get ready, pack up, and leave here by 6 to make it there in time. So I was like, okay, I guess it's the universe telling me I should go. So I'm gonna go, because I told myself I'm gonna live those opportunities that arise and don't say no to many things. Let's go to a random person's brunch invite. So we just finished the brunch, and apparently there's a folk festival going on. So we're gonna go check out the folk festival. Got Huckleberry Italian ice.
And am I the only one that stayed up a little too late last night? Take a stand.
there's like a bunch of different stages and you can go see like a bunch of different people playing music. It's pretty cool. Wow, there's a chair behind me. I just walked by. Gave me a little flower. Flower in my hat. So this event is actually really cool. There are a bunch of different stages all over that have music from like all over the world and different artists and everything like that. It's really cool and you can hop from stage to stage.
Y'all can sit down and eat.
It's time.
Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to share it with your friends. It really helps me out to get these to other people so they can enjoy it as much as you enjoyed it. Thanks, guys. I hope to see you again soon. Bye.
Sun is shining, but the rain is welcome too. Friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's you. Oh, I love it when the love comes around, and then I remember all things must pass. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, no, not yet.